Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Digit to save for holiday shopping. Planning for holiday shopping can get stressful, but Digit makes savings for it easy and automatic. So first, all you got to do is open your Digit app and create a new savings goal. Name it something like, holiday shopping. Then you're going to set your target amount based, of course, on your budget for gifts, decorations, and other, seasonal expenses. Digit will then automatically analyze your spending and safely withdraw small amounts into this goal. So you're building your holiday funds gradually without having to feel the pinch. You can monitor your progress anytime in the app, adjust your target if needed, and even pause savings if your cash flow changes. This way, you'll avoid last-minute scrambles and overspendings, during the holiday by simply having your budget ready well in advance. That's pretty much it for the video, guys. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful Digit tips, and don't forget to ring that notification bell so you never miss another update in the future. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.